Good morning, student. Now today we are going to learn and write letter S. Okay, in English IMAX book. Now open the book. In previous video we learned and wrote letter R. Okay, now today we are going to learn and trace letter S. So page number 3 to 32. Okay, letter S and S. Capital S, small s says S as in sun. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky, s. So sun, s soup, s soap, capital S, small s. Now we will trace first capital S. Okay, in pink line from the top, you have to start. First, draw up curve, then draw left curve, then swing, then draw right curve, then down curve, little bit you have to go up. This is capital S, capital S. Like this you have to trace. Now without tracing we have to write down here capital S. First draw up curve, then left curve, then swing, then draw right curve, and then down curve. So this is capital S. S sun, S soup, S soap, S snack. So this is capital S. Sound of S is S. Now small s, first we have to trace between two blue line, swing, first up curve, swing, then trace right curve, swing down, then up curve. So this is small s, small s. Write down very properly, small s. Sound of s is s. Sound of s is s. X, capital S. Now write down here capital S. S soup, SOUP, soup. Now this is soap. Soap means sabun. Now here write down small s, SOAP, soap. Okay. Now we will write down student in 4-line notebook. Okay. So this is 4-line notebook. Now open the notebook. Okay. Write capital and small letter S. Okay. Write down on a top and write here today's date. आपको यहाँ पर आज की डेट राइट डाउन करनी. Okay. Now write down here capital S. Write down small s. Okay. Capital S, small s, capital S, small s. First write down capital S, then write down small s. How you will write capital S? From top pink line, draw up curve, then swing. This is left curve. Okay. Then come down, swing, then draw right curve. Okay. Then down curve. So this is capital S, and small s in between two blue line you have to write down same. So this is capital S, this is small s, capital S, small s. Sound of S is S. Writing should be neat and clean. How you will write small s and capital S? Up curve, swing, left slanting line, swing, then right slanting line, and down curve. So this is capital S. Now small s, same as it is, you have to write down, but in between two blue line you have to write down. So this is small s. Sound of S is S, sun, S, shoes, S, socks, S, strawberry, S, soup. Okay. S, snack. S snake. S sunflower. Capital S, small s, sound of S is sound of S is capital S, small s, capital S, small s. Like this you have to write down capital S, write down small s, capital S, small s. Okay, student, writing should be neat and clean. Capital S, small s, capital S, small s. Sound of S is sir. Sound of S is sir. Capital S, small s. S sun. S socks. S shoe. S shoes. S sunflower. S snack. S sandal. Capital S, small s. Sound of S is sir. Okay, student, you have to also write down 2 page, 1 page here, another page here. Write down 2 page, click the photo and send on the group. We will meet next video. Till then, bye bye, student.